Guys, today ample knowledge going to explain you regarding IS 456, which is very much important with respect to construction. Today on 26 May 2020, part 1 of IS 146 will be explained. So point wise explanation of. So first we see in the first page of IS 456, if we go to the ordinary Portland cement, the ordinary Portland cement of 3 grades are explained, that is 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade, which belongs to IS 269, IS 18112, IS 12269. After that, there are 4-5 most important cement that are used for heavy construction, and that is rapid hardening Portland cement, which conform to IS 8041, Portland slag cement, which conforms to IS 455, Portland pozzolana cement if it is fly ash based, then 1481 part 2. If it is calcined clay, then it is 1489 part 2. It is explained in 1489 part 2. Hydrophobic cement conforms to IS 8043. Low heat Portland cement conforms to IS 12600. Sulfate resisting Portland cement conforming to IS 12330. So these points must be remembered, and generally it is asked in several competition exam, in DMRC, JEE civil exam, SSC JEE, as well as state service commission exams. So you must remember these are IS code. After IS code, we go to the mineral admixture. Pozzolana, Portland or pozzolanic material conforming to relevant Indian standard may be used with permission of engineer in charge. Provide uniform blending with cement is ensured. Fly ash, that is also called pulverized fuel ash. So fly ash conforming to grade 1 of IS 3812 may be used as a part of replacement of ordinary Portland cement, provided uniform blending with cement is ensured. Okay, then our 5.2.1.2 part is silica fume. Silica fume conforming to a standard approved by the deciding authority may be used as a part of replacement of cement, providing uniform blending with the cement. Actually, silica fume is very fine crystalline silicon dioxide. Then we come to the part metakaolin. Metakaolin having fineness between 700 to 900 meter square per kg may be used as pozzolanic material in concrete. We come to aggregate. Aggregate conforms to IS 383. As far as possible, preference shall be given to natural aggregate. If we see regarding aggregate, other type of aggregate such as slag and crushed overburnt brick or tile, which may be found suitable with regard to strength, durability of concrete and freedom from harmful effect, may be used for PCC. But such aggregates should not contain more than 0.5% of sulfate as SO3. So these things to be remembered. This here if we see harmful effects may contain, but such aggregate should not be more than 0.5% of sulfates, SO3, and should not absorb 10% of their own mass of water. Size of aggregate. If we see the size of aggregates, the size of aggregate should be as large as possible within limit specified, but in no case it should be greater than 1/4 of the minimum thickness of the member. In no case it should be greater than minimum thickness of the member, 1/4 of the minimum thickness of the member. For most work, 20 mm aggregate is suitable. Similarly, in concrete section, 40 mm or larger size may be permitted. In concrete element with thin section closely spaced consideration, use of 10 mm nominal size should be used. Plums above 160 mm and up to any reasonable size may be used in plain concrete work up to maximum limit of 20% by volume of concrete. Important points to remember. So various IS code important point that should be anyhow remembered for getting good marks, for getting selection in any JEE SSC exam. So first is pH of water. So pH of water should not be less than 6. pH of water should not be anyhow less than 6. This should be remember, pH of should not be less than 6. Average 28 days compressive strength of at least 3 150 mm concrete cube prepared with water to be not be less than % of the average of strength of 3 similar concrete cube prepared with distilled water. The cube shall be prepared. Cured and tested in accordance with requirement of IS 516. If we come to the spacer or chair, one number of chair to be provided in 1 meter square. In 1 meter square, one number of chairs should be given. Maximum permissible free fall of concrete is 1 meter. 1 to 1.5 meter it is allowable. Trimmy pipe should not be less than 200 mm dia. Trimmy pipe is generally used in pile construction. IS 456 important point. We go to the IS 456 with important point. Lap splices should not be used for bar larger than 36 mm. If our bar size is greater than 36 mm, then lap splices should not be used. So 36 mm above, no lap, only welding is allowed. 2 bars of different dia to be spliced or to be lapped. A smaller dia to be considered for lap length. So lap length calculation of 45D, we should use dia of the smaller bar. Slab thickness should be 1/8 of the thickness of slab. Slab thickness should be 1/8 of the thickness of slab. Main bar in column shall not be less than 12 mm. Main bar in column shall not be less than 12 mm. Minimum number of main steel bar provided in RCC rectangular column is 4 and circular is 6. Structure exceeded 45 meter expansion joint. Modulus of elasticity of steel is 200 kN per mm square. Flexure strength of concrete is of M10 is 10 kN per mm square. So tensile strength of concrete, that is flexural strength FCS is equals to 0.7 under root FCK. FCS is equals to 0.7 under root FCK. 0.7 FCK. Modulus of elasticity of concrete EC is equals to 5000 under root FCK. Maximum cement 1 cubic meter of concrete 450 kg 4 PCC, that is 4.5 bag. So thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel.